How to install Lenox Media Player on FireTV or Firestick. Please go to Settings and allow apps installation from unknown sources. Download and install the downloader if you don't have it installed. Type the following URL: linuxmp.com/app.apk. And hit go. Install the Lenox Media Player, then hit open. Type the service ID provided to you via email or text, then hit next. Then type in your username and password, and wait for the application to load. Please see description below for other links or URL for Firestick or FireTV if the link of the video won't work on your device.